Hello students, welcome to math class. Today we are going to do question number 12 of exercise 10.2 chapter 10. A triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Like this. Meaning the sides of triangle touches the circle. Of radius 4 centimeter and the radius of the circle is 4 centimeter such that segments BD and CD into which BC is divided by the point of contact D are of length 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Here BD is given to us as 8 centimeter and CD is given to us as 6 centimeter. And point of contact at AC is F and at AB the point of contact is E. And we have to find the length of the sides AB and AC. So, first of all, what we have to do? Let us assume that AE is equal to X. When AE is X, then AF will also be equal to X. Why? Because these are the length of the tangent from exterior point A. So, in figure, let AE is equal to X. So, therefore, AF will also be X because these are the lengths of tangent from exterior point A. Similarly, CF is equal to CD is equal to 6 centimeter and BE is equal to BD is equal to 8 centimeter. These are tangents from point C and B. Now, join O to E, O to F and O to D. Also, OE is equal to OF is equal to OD is equal to 4 centimeter because these are the radii of the circle. Now we have to find the length AB and AC. For this what we have to do? Let us also joining O to A, O to B and O to C. So, in figure, area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle AOB plus area of triangle BOC plus area of triangle AOC because triangle ABC is now splitted into these three triangles. So, area of triangle ABC will be, here we can write area of triangle AOB as 1 by 2 into AB into OE. OE is the height of the triangle because angle E is of 90 degree. Plus in triangle BOC 1 by 2 into BC into OD plus 1 by 2 into AC into OF. Here 1 by 2. Length of AB is 8 plus x and OE is 4 centimeter. 1 by 2. Length of BC is 14 and OD is 4. 1 by 2. Length of AC is 6 plus x and OF is 4. So we can take 2 common and 8 plus x plus 14 plus 6 plus x. We get 2 into 28 plus 2x, and it will be again we can take 2 common, 4 into 14 plus x centimeter square. So this is the area of our triangle. Also in this question we will find the area of triangle by using Heron's formula also by using Heron's formula, area of triangle ABC will be, first of all we have to find S. S means AB plus BC plus AC by 2, and AB is 8 plus x, BC is 14 and AC is 6 plus x by 2. So it will be 28 plus 2x by 2, and this will be 14 plus x centimeter. Now we will apply the formula to find the area. So area of triangle ABC, it will be equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C whole under the root. Here A is first side, B is second side and C is the third side. And semi-perimeter S is 14 plus x. So we can write it as 14 plus x into 14 plus x minus first side, 8 minus x. Here we have to change the sign. 14 plus x minus 14, 14 plus x minus third side, it will be minus 6 minus x. So it can be written as 14 plus x into 14 minus 8, it will be 6 x, and it will be 8 whole under the root. 14 plus x into x. We can break 6 as 3 into 2 and 8 2 into 2 into 2. So here 2 into 2 into 14 plus x into x into 3. So it will be 14 plus x into x into 3 under the root. So this is the area of the triangle by using Heron's formula. But area of triangle ABC is also equal to 4 into 14 plus x centimeter square. So by putting both of the areas equal to one another, we can cancel it. Now squaring both sides, we will get 14 plus x into 3x, and using the identity a plus b whole square on 14 plus x. A square plus b square plus 2ab, and it can be written as 42x plus 3x square is equal to 196x plus x square plus 28x. And now your equation will become as 2x square plus 14x minus 196 is equal to 0. We can divide the whole equation by 2. X square plus 7x minus 98 is equal to 0. And factorizing it by using splitting middle term, we will get two factors of it, x minus 7 into x plus 14 is equal to 0. So either x minus 7 is equal to 0 or x plus 14 is equal to 0. We get x is equal to 7 and x is equal to minus 14. So we will reject x is equal to minus 14 because lengths are never negative. So finally x is equal to 7. So therefore AB will be x plus 8 is equal to 7 plus 8 is equal to 15 centimeter. And AC will be 6 plus 7 is equal to 13 centimeter. So the remaining two sides of triangle are 15 centimeter and 13 centimeter. Question number 13. Prove that the opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtend supplementary angle at the center of the circle. Let us draw the figure for this question. In this question, ABCD is a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle with center O. And we have to prove that angle AOB plus angle DOC is 180 degree. So given ABCD is a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle with center O. To prove, because AB and CD are its opposite sides and angle subtended by AB at the center is angle AOB. Angle subtended by side CD at the center is angle COD. And we have to prove that the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Construction. Join. In figure, point P, Q, R and S are the point of contact. So join O to P, O to Q, O to R and O to S. Now in triangle AOP and AOS, OP is equal to OS. These are the radii of the circle. And AP is equal to AS. Tangents from exterior point A. And OA is equal to OA. This is common. So therefore by side congruency rule, triangle AOP is congruent to triangle AOS. So therefore we get angle 1 is equal to angle 2. By CPCT. Similarly, in figure, we can prove, let us assume that this is angle 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. एंगल 3 को हम 4 के इक्वल प्रूव कर सकते हैं एंड एंगल 5 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 6 एंड एंगल 7 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 8. But sum of these 8 angles from the figure is 360 degree. Angle 1 plus 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 plus angle 8 is equal to 360. Now we can replace these angles as angle 1 plus 8 plus 4 plus 5 plus angle 2. This one angle 2 can be written as angle 1. And angle 3 can be written as angle 4. And angle 6 can be written as angle 5. and plus angle 7 can be written as angle 8. So we get 2 into angle 1 plus 8 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 360 degree. And we get angle 1 plus 8 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 180 degree. And in figure, angle 1 plus 8 is angle AOB. And angle 4 plus 5 is angle COD. So we get the sum of angles subtended by opposite sides at the center of the circle as 180 degree. Hence proved. Similarly, we can prove for another pair, that is AOD plus BOC.